Comrade Gesa's words resonate loud and clear that unity is power and knowledge is key. Together, you and I have a sacred duty to defend and protect our constitution from those who seek to manipulate it for personal gain. Sambira mashoko arikola upward aiwa vanhu makaona leaked drafts aiwa memorandum avakomana vana Jacob Ndenda aiwa panguva ino ari kunongwa kunzi they are trying aiwa kuya vachimanipulata pauchiti nokuamenda the constitution vachibvisa mwe mutemo inoita kuti aiwa iri kuenda against them. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi mudanyora chiti Zimbabwe belongs to all of us as its citizens, not just a privileged few. Our collective struggles are a shared fate, and it's time we unite in pursuit of a brighter future. Through resilience and vigilance, we can overcome our challenges. The time for action is now. Let us all rise as one until the rule of law is respected, our constitution is upheld, and all laws within our territorial integrity are enforced. We demand better lives for all and excellent service delivery across every sector. Together we can achieve. No mashikwamla yukopanapa nokuona aiwachiti aiwa we are tired nezvigananda. We are tired of this regime just because our area panapa ichiuya ichiamenda constitution our in its favor kuti aiwa vagova enraged kuti zvezvo vari kuda kuita vakwanisa kuaccomplish. Tiri kuona kuti aiwa they are also planning to extend the rule yemutungamiri wenyika kuti isvike 2030 and vakuhoya panapa because of the 2/3 majority ainayo. Those guys legislators aiwa nemacancelors vanenge vane paadvantage kuti vachange vachistay muparliament for another extended term again. Tudze mafukiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu. So subscribe or like on the bell icon.